This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susie Hauze. Fantastic opportunity to own a large tip lot with quick access to the Marco River and Gulf of Mexico. Brand new seawall being installed by Blue Marlin is in progress now. Rookery Court is a beautiful street with many new homes walking distance to beautiful Plummer Park. This 1967 home being sold furnished. And #XD and #SAW. A spectacular new home could be built on this oversized home site with 167 feet on the water. For more information, review the details below or contact Susie Hauze at 239-370-1497.